Recently, our engineer Ron went to the United States to help a customer install and debug 2 laser machines. Afterwards, our company received a praise email from the customer. Let's hear what the customer said.
We are a company which manufactures food and beverage packaging machinery used in North America. We purchased a 12 kilowatts laser cutter and 2 kilowatts laser welder from Morn last December. Ron visited our plant last month, setting up our cutter and welder and training our fabrication engineer. He was outstanding and a great representative for your company. He was extremely knowledgeable on the equipment, having no issues finishing the assembly on the laser, setting up the parameters for various thicknesses of materials, and training our engineering using the machine. He had the machine running the first day he arrived. He was interested in learning about our operation, attempting to help us be more efficient with the cutter and laser. That's going beyond just showing how the machine operates, but also making it a better tool in our production machinery.
Morn Laser will continue to work hard to provide our customers with more efficient and more reliable laser machine.